Hello everyone and welcome to the first day of 2025 and 32nd of 1000 days of no code challenge. I get it. Most of you probably are still recovering from last night's celebration or maybe taking things slow and enjoying the calm before the year kicks off. Totally fair. That's why today we are considering one of the simple yet powerful thing in Bubble. In today's video, let's understand about file management, a feature every app needs. Think about it, whether it is uploading files, profile images, or displaying that on the front end. Without a proper file management, none of this would be possible, or it would become chaos. It's a simple but powerful feature laying the foundation for a polished and interactive user experience. Let's dive in and see how files needs to be managed in Bubble applications. In one of the initial sessions, we had seen what is a file uploader, right? But let's explore it a bit more in detail. So I'm adding the file uploader element on the page, and I'm going to add a button as well. And we can call this as upload file. So we'll go to data, and in the user itself, I'll create something called file. Now this is of type file, right? And I created a new field here. And when we upload the file, let's say we are uploading it to the current user. So I'm going to data and say make changes to thing, and this is current user, and change another field, select file, and you can select file uploader as value. And the next obvious thing that we want to do is reset relevant inputs. So let's go to preview. And I'm uploading a file. So I'm going to upload one of this PDF files. Click on open. And even before I click on upload file, okay, let's head over to data and the file manager. Click on search. You can see that this is already uploaded to Bubble server. Okay. By the way, all the files that you have uploaded or your users have uploaded onto the portal with any file upload or image upload elements are available in file manager. Okay. So now if I go here and click on upload file, this is when the data is getting mapped, right? So if I go here, you can see this particular file, right? But even before I clicked on that upload file button, it was already uploaded to Bubble server. This is one drawback of using Bubble's own uploader, and I call it as drawback because let's say I upload a file, okay, test2. Once it is uploaded, I feel, oh, it is not test2, I want to upload something else. Let's say test1. Right? Now I click on upload file. What happens is test2 is already uploaded to the server, and then comes test1. Right? This isn't good because that particular file is now not linked to any record, and hence you cannot delete it. There are a couple of plugins which allows us to upload the file only when we click on button or when the action needs to be taken. We will be exploring that in the coming days, but for now, please understand about this drawback and use it cautiously. And this will be true even when you are doing profile picture upload or something like that. So let's quickly check that. I'm going to profile page. We added this option so that we can edit the profile information. So what I'm going to do is going to tweet page, logging in as support@rit7.com, clicking on profile so that it takes us to the profile page, okay, and click on edit profile. So this opens up. Now I'm going to upload an image. Let's say I want to upload this as the profile image. right? And click on save. Now this has got saved. I'll click on edit profile again. I'll click on this particular icon and I'll change my profile picture. I'll click on save. What happened is you can see that this new profile picture has come here, but if we go to search, both of the images are there on the server. So it's always a good practice where you delete the old profile picture from the server before you link the new one to the profile. Yeah, how can we do that is something that we will explore over the course of time, because it may require some complex workflows like custom workflow or backend workflow or something like that. So we will explore that in the coming days. But I hope you enjoyed the session on file uploader. And with that, we have completed the first video for 2025. Today, we have talked about file management. How do we upload the files? How is it stored? What can be done with files? And how do we delete them? We also covered some of the best practices when it comes to file management. Starting something new on New Year's Day isn't always easy, but you've already shown up and taken the first step. That's a win right there. I hope you keep this momentum going throughout the year, taking on challenges and building something incredible, one step at a time. Thank you for being a part of the 1000 days journey and making the first day of 2025 productive. Here's to a fantastic year filled with creativity and growth. So stay curious, keep experimenting, and as always, see you in the next one.